Three, two, one, start. Section 166 Compensation Third Party Claim Liability of Insurer Denial on ground of fake driving license possessed by driver. Neither DTO who submitted report of fake license examined nor any register of DTO office brought on record to establish that on relevant date no license was issued to driver of concerned vehicle. In absence of proof that the driver had no valid license, it cannot be held that the owner of the bus has violated the terms and conditions of the policy. In cases where it is found that license of driver is not fake, comma, insurance company is legally bound to pay entire compensation amount, but in cases where the license is found fake, comma, proper course available to the insurance company is that firstly company shall pay the entire compensation and then it may proceed to realize the amount from the owner of the offending vehicle on proof of certain facts like knowledge of the owner regarding fake license of the driver. Full stop. Criminal trial and trial under the Act stand on different footing. In criminal trial, strict proof of certain fact is required, whereas in claim case, prima facie proof is sufficient to establish certain fact. Principle of res ipsa loquitur is alien to the criminal trial, but in claim cases, this principle is applicable to prove the rash and negligent driving of the driver of offending vehicle. Non-examination of charge sheet witnesses of the criminal case lodged in connection with accident. Minor contradiction with regard to the date of accident do not adversely affect the claim case filed in connection with the said accident. Further, comma, when the police after investigation filed the charge sheet and found the case was true, the seizure of the vehicle and the arrest of the driver fully establishes the fact that in the said accident the deceased lost his life and the vehicle was involved in the said accident. Full stop. Tribunal has committed illegality by holding that there is no reliable evidence on record that in the said accident the vehicle in question was involved, which was being driven rashly and negligently by its driver. Impugned finding set aside and held that the claimant has successfully proved that the deceased died in the accident by the vehicle in question, compensation payable to the claimant fixed at rupees 60,000 with 9% interest, and the insurance company held liable to pay the compensation. Full stop. Section 166, Section 2 within bracket 12, compensation claim against deceased accompanying the dead body on the goods carrying vehicle. Dead body comes under the definition of goods. Deceased accompanying the dead body at the time of accident cannot be said to be a gratuitous passenger at the relevant time, comma. Deceased was accompanying the dead body either as owner of the goods or as authorized agent of owner of goods. Therefore, for his death, insurance company is liable to pay compensation if the vehicle is insured. Stop.